Google just announced a developer preview for the Android P, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can get the launcher from the Android P. Hey guys, this is Aryan Thakur and you're watching Varatech. Let's get started. I can't keep up with your style. Okay guys, let's do the first things first. Just go ahead into the description down below and download the package. Now the package might be named as Nexus Launcher, but you don't get confused, it's still a Pixel Launcher as you can see here. Now just click on install and wait until it gets installed in your device. Now the Marshmallow and the Nougat devices might take little bit of more time than usual, but once the Pixel Launcher gets installed, just click done and press the home button and choose the Pixel Launcher. And cheers, you got your Pixel Launcher, which is from the developer preview. And just click the home button once again and make it as your default launcher. Now in this launcher you might see some visual changes, like the pop-up actions are more boxier, and instead of transparent look it is more on the opaque side, and you might see some of the lags here and there, but it's good. And bad news for the Nougat users is that you cannot access your Google feed page, and the microphone button on the search bar just triggers the Google Assistant, and it's way easier now. The dock looks more defined, and the widgets like the weather and the calendar works pretty fine. The launcher is still in development and you might see some of the lags here and there, but it's okay because it's still in development. Let me show you the version. Just go to the about and you can see here the version is P462351, and the P here stands for the Android P, which we don't know the name yet. If you know the name, just comment down below. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.